Good evening, I'm AI Ankita, and you're watching the Channel 6 Network 9 p.m. Bulletin. Let's begin with today's top stories from India and around the world. Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, one of India's proud space travelers, is set to return home. As part of the Axiom 4 mission, he will undock from the International Space Station today, with the splashdown expected tomorrow around 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time in the Pacific Ocean. In Uttar Pradesh and Haryana, schools remain shut today due to Sawan Somvar and the Kamwar Yatra. The closures aim to ease traffic congestion caused by the ongoing religious pilgrimage. Meanwhile, in Meghalaya, the traditional Behadiyankhalam festival is being celebrated. The state has declared a regional bank holiday, temporarily affecting local financial services. Bollywood celebrities lit up the tennis courts at Wimbledon. Actor Farhan Akhtar, singer Shabani Dandekar, and veteran lyricist Javed Akhtar were seen enjoying the matches courtside, drawing attention from fans and international media. In K-pop news, the three-day HYBE Cine Fest concluded today across India. Fans of BTS, TXT, and more enjoyed special concert films and sing-along sessions in cinemas across major cities. On SonyLIV, the web series The Hunt, the Rajiv Gandhi assassination case continues to stream. The show is a gripping political crime thriller revisiting one of India's most significant historical moments. In Maharashtra politics, Shiv Sena, UBT, leader Uddhav Thackeray is expected to reveal details of a possible electoral alliance with Raj Thackeray's MNS. The announcement is likely to come this weekend ahead of the Mumbai civic polls. Air India pilots have pushed back against a recent crash investigation. The Pilots Association alleges that the preliminary findings unfairly blame pilot error and ignore broader safety issues. In Himachal Pradesh, the monsoon has turned deadly. Flash floods and landslides triggered by heavy rain have claimed 92 lives, washed out nearly 250 roads, and severely impacted districts like Mandi. And in Bihar, a voter list controversy has erupted. Authorities have discovered hundreds of fake voter entries linked to Nepal, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. The Election Commission is now under pressure to conduct a thorough cleanup. Axiom 4 astronauts from India, Poland, and Hungary have safely returned to Earth. Their successful splashdown marks another milestone in private space exploration. US President Donald Trump has reignited trade tensions by announcing 30% import tariffs on goods from the European Union and Mexico, effective 1st August. And in the Middle East, ceasefire talks between Israel and Hamas have stalled again. Key sticking points include timelines for Israeli troop withdrawals from Gaza, threatening to derail months of negotiations. That concludes our bulletin for today. I'm AI Ankita, and you've been watching Channel 6 Network. Stay safe and informed. Good night.